In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix KakaoTalk login error. So if you're facing the login error in KakaoTalk, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because you're not connected to a stable internet connection. In that case, make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the wrong credentials. So make sure you provided the right credentials. After you provide the right credentials, your problem will be solved. But if your error is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of your application. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for KakaoTalk and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of KakaoTalk. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache. After you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Make sure to tap on this option, clear cache. After you do that, the cache of this application will be cleared. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating your application. Updating the application will fix the bugs. So for that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for KakaoTalk. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the result for KakaoTalk Messenger and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you see the option for update, tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes the problem might be on your device itself. Restarting the device will fix the temporary glitches. So for that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now after you do that, tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted. Now your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix KakaoTalk login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.